Hello, YouTube. Chances are no one's gonna watch this, but what the heck? Let's try it anyway. You know, there's only one thing I'd like doing more than sitting in the backyard and watching videos about fishing on YouTube, but that's fishing. Just going out there and doing it. So, today is gonna be the attempted first fishing vlog for R&R Fishing. It's Ryan and Ryan. We'll be meeting up with other Captain Ryan today on his trusty steed, and we'll see if we can't put some blood on the decks. Oh. I always said it's easy to go fishing when you're next door to your fishing partner. So Captain Ryan.
What up?
Standing in the shadows, kid. That's our trusty steed.
Steed, dog.
You unplugged that battery last night?
Yeah.
Right.
I unplugged it from the fucking...
Alright. Ready for the first episode of R&R?
Oh, yeah.
It is currently 4:30 a.m. We're loaded up. Captain Ryan's at the wheel. The boat wants to get in the water. We're going down to San Pedro. The thing about San Pedro is we don't like coming home empty-handed. We like blood on our boat. So, see how that goes.
Saucing, saucing, I'm saucing on you. I'm swagging, I'm swagging, I'm swagging on you. I'm ballin', I've a song on you.
And the Cazadores II.
Watch out, oh watch out, oh watch out, yeah. I smash out, I smash out, I smash out.
So the water was a little blown out, a little choppy when it was dark. Now it's getting a little light out. Got one on the boat. It's a little short, so probably about a 12, or what we'd call a old keeper. We've got some port ships just cruising out of the bay. We're gonna go work the outside of the wall now and see if it hasn't calmed down out there. All right, so this is fifth fish in the boat?
Fifth fish, yeah.
All right, well, we have no GoPro at this point. We're pretty much the worst vloggers ever at this point, but as far as fishermen, I think we're doing pretty solid. I'd say that's a 10. They're just fucking inhaling squid today. Excuse my French. And as you can see, we're not any special place, just found some weeds and
Good little 10-inch, right?
got a little 10. Oh, yeah, that's an easy 10. It's an easy one.
Vlog.
Got a little dinker. She's gonna go back in.
Oh, I think I'm stuck.
Oh, yeah, I got one stuck. Happens, get stuck when you suicide into these weeds here. However, it's where the fish are at. Just kind of gotta do it. This guy's got double. Oh shit, we got a keeper right here though. Swing that baby. Woo wee! Now that's a calico bass right there, buddy. All right, hold him up to the camera.
Yeah, buddy.
Now that's a good one. Good shit. So I'd say we've been looking everywhere for these fucks, except, you know, you never look for them.
They come
But-
to you. Oh, there
Oh, they're, oh shit. They are
Like
slimy.
jizz, dude. Look at that.
Yeah, that's a, yeah. D-hook.
I got
Free
smacked in
D-hooking.
the head, dude.
First mac of the day, and ooh. Should we put him in the food chain? Right here. Put him in the food chain.
Get him!
Yeah! Yeah!
Fuck you.
Yeah, there's the dolphins.
Well, what should I do?
Go. So, we had a good continuous bite going for a while. Then it's kind of slowed down. We tried a new spot. We're gonna go back to the old routes. Guys texting and driving. I think that's illegal in California. So the story of our vlog has pretty much been
Oh shit! What the fuck?
catch a fish once you you know, aren't filming. So
Yeah, buddy.
we were just double hooked up. Just lost one, but he's gonna go back into the drink. Let's get another.
We are now getting hooked up. That's 2 Sanders in a row. On the lead head with some squid. I'm just dangling here on the bottom. It's good looking. Just on the straight lead. I'm not taking my eye off that shit.
Son of a bitch.
So we are fighting these fish
Ooh, he's
out of the
got you.
weeds every step of the way.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, yeah, that's it.
Tanker.
That's the one right there. Oh, he's way hooked. Get him in the boat.
Get in the fucking boat. You
Get him in the boat.
Whoa!
Now
Let's go!
that's a keeper, Callie.
Yee! Ha!
Now that right there.
Swallowed that shit, too.
Hold it up one more time.
Woo! He's
Yeehaw.
bloody Dex, kid. I gotta get him back in.
Well, I'd say as far as filming went, it was a completely unsuccessful fishing vlog, but as far as fishing, we did real good. So that's it. Thanks for watching.